Hey angels, so today we are going to be taking a look at this new unit. This unit is called Ice Cream Girl, and this is Ice Cream Girl 1. Ice Cream Girl actually comes with the number 1 and a number 2. The number 1 that you guys see here is more of a like wet and wavy type texture. The number 2 is more of a straight texture with layers in the front. But as far as this unit is concerned, I wanted to come and just showing you guys what it looks like, what the texture is like, and just to tell you guys to make sure that you put this unit on first before you do your makeup, because that foundation will transfer. I try to just go in with some powder just to make it look of like more of a dark root, but just ignore that for the most part. You guys might just want to wear it the way it is without a dark root, or there's plenty of ways to do it like easily to make a darker root. Just take like a brown mascara and use the wand and just do it right above at the root. I'll show you guys that later, but it's plenty of ways to make a dark root easily. Just ignore my dark root for today, and we are going to dive right into the details on this unit.
Hey angels, what's up? It's your girl Alicia, and I'm coming to you today with another video. In this video today is actually going to be a wig review on this gorgeous wig that you see here. And without further ado, let's just dive right into this video. Okay, if you guys are new to my channel, welcome to my channel. My name is Alicia. Please make sure you hit that subscribe button and come and join the family. So this video today is brought to you by Divatress.com. So thank you so much, Divatress, for sending me out this unit and a few other units, which I will be bringing to you guys very soon. But let's just get into the details of this unit here. This unit here today is called Ice Cream Girl, and this is a lace front wig, and this is what the card actually looks like. So as you can see, this unit actually comes in I think 8 different colors. They have a 1, a 1B, blue soft. That's the color I have on now, blue soft. They have a bubblegum, an orange blossom, pistachio, vanilla berry, and unicorn. This collection is just a bunch of like ice cream inspired, just bright and like fun colors. So if you're the type of person that like to try different color wigs, then you would definitely like this wig. So they have Ice Cream Girl 1 and Ice Cream Girl 2. This here is Ice Cream Girl 1, and it has more of like a wave to it. And Ice Cream Girl 2 is just like straight up straight, and it has like short layers in the front. So you have an option with that as well. This unit is curling iron safe, so you can put heat to this unit. Keep in mind it is synthetic, so you don't want to like use too much heat on it. You are able to wash this unit as well. I was getting some shedding with this unit, which I'm not surprised, because for them to get it to this light blue, they had to like bleach this pretty much white. So I'm not surprised at that, but it's not like too much shedding to the point where it's unbearable. You do get some tingling, which you do get with all synthetic units, but overall I think it's a very pretty unit. The parting space was perfect. You did not need to puck this parting space unless you absolutely wanted to. I went in and just added some powder on it. I wanted to give it more of a darker root, but I think the next time I wear it, I'll wash it out and just see how I feel about it without any darkness to the root. Okay, Angel, so I actually have a clip of this wig coming straight out of the pack, just showing you guys what it looked like coming out of the pack. So you guys can just get a general idea of that. So let's go over to that clip now.
Okay, Angel, so straight out the pack, you guys can see very well that the curl is nice and soft. It's like a nice wet and wavy texture. And I actually sprayed some spray on it, some holding spray, to give it more texture. That's why in the video it just looks like really like messy light, because I like that look. But you guys can see it has 3 combs, and it is a soft lace, and it has the adjustable strap, so it's good to go.
Okay, Angel, so as you can see, coming straight out of the pack, the hair looks good. Like the coloring is very pretty. They are saying that this is like a natural yaki texture, It's not giving me yaki vibes. But this wig construction is definitely a large cap size. So this wig is actually big head friendly. So if you have a bigger head, then you will definitely be able to rock this wig. As far as the parting space is concerned, it is hand tied. So it makes it look more natural. And I was very impressed with this parting space actually. The price point for this wig is actually $39.95. So it is very affordable. And overall, I'm going to have to give this a thumbs up. It gives you like a cosplay vibe, like if you like cosplay wigs, but it's definitely wearable and it's cute. It's perfect if you just want to take some pictures for the gram and switch it up. It's definitely, I would say, a easy summer friendly wig because you could just pop it on and just go. Nothing really extra or difficult about this unit. Other than that, make sure you guys check down below in the description bar. Make sure I leave all of the coupon codes down below. If you guys like this wig, please let me know down in the comment section below. And thank you so much, Divatress, for sending me out this wig. If you guys have any questions, do not hesitate to leave me a comment. And other than that, I love you guys so much, and I'll see you guys in my next video. But always remember, the secret to success: put God first, always be determined, and consistency is key. I love you guys so much, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye, angels.